Replacing your latches in the field is quick and easy. This short video will demonstrate how to remove and replace a latch on one of SKB's 3i cases. For this procedure, you will need a latch replacement kit, a small mallet or hammer, and pliers. First, remove the replacement pin from the bag and align it with the end of the latch pin currently in the case. Using light, swift strokes, hammer the punch into the side of the latch pin. After the latch pin has come out a short distance, use a pair of pliers to remove the latch pin the rest of the way. To make the alignment with the new latch easier, it is helpful to leave the pin in the housing. Remove the old latch from the latch housing. Align the new latch with the holes of the latch housing. Using light, swift strokes, hammer the latch pin back into the latch body and through to the other side of the housing. Test your latch by opening and closing it several times.